Understanding Kapha dosha by its functions. Kapha dosha can be likened to freezing oil or a thick, heavy, viscous oil. A heavy, semi-solid oil is usually cold, viscous, heavy, and has cushioning effect. All these qualities can be attributed to Kapha dosha. Stability and compactness. If you imagine a cell, Kapha is responsible for holding all parts of the cell together in its natural shape. If you consider joints, Kapha is responsible for stability and compactness of the joints. Stability of mind. In the mind's thinking process, Vata helps you to explore all the options. Pitta helps to analyze which are the good options and which are bad. But Kapha helps to settle you down with that one particular option. So even in the process of thinking, Kapha is the reason for stable thinking. Usually, people with Kapha body type are well organized and stable. A person with Kapha body type likes to sit and do one work for a long period of time, as opposed to Vata person who likes to wander here and there. Kshama or forgiveness. When you are betrayed by someone, Vata makes you think about options that you have. Pitta makes you to attack the person in revenge, but Kapha will ensure mental balance to put things into perspective and forgive the offender, or to realize that it was your own mistake, as the case may be. Retention. Retention is something associated with stability of thoughts. It is due to Kapha dosha. Person with Kapha body type has good memory and retention capacity. Lubrication. Oil avoids friction in engine. Similarly, Kapha ensures lubrication between joints and ensures smoothness and avoids friction by its shock absorbing action. When food enters stomach, it is due to Kapha dosha that the food particles are well moistened. It helps in easy breakdown of food into smaller particles. Sturdiness, bulk, nourishment, these terms can be very well associated with Kapha dosha. So, for any physiological process related to stability, compactness, cushioning, etc., Kapha dosha is responsible. To learn more, please visit easyayurveda.com.